Hi, in front of me is Autofill WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!